Imagine the frustration of firing up your favorite game only to realize you are permanently locked out because of a hardware ID ban. It feels like your entire PC has been blacklisted, and no matter how many new accounts you make, you keep getting kicked. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today, we are getting you back in the game by bypassing those stubborn hardware blocks with the ultimate spoofer solution. A hardware ID ban, or HWID ban, happens when developers flag the unique serial numbers of your components like your motherboard or storage drives. Even if you change your IP address, they still recognize your machine and shut you down instantly. To fix this, we need to mask those identifiers so your PC looks brand new to the game servers. Let's jump into the advanced steps to get this done right now. Step 1. Download a reputable kernel-level HWID spoofer that supports your specific game's anti-cheat system. Step 2. Disable all real-time protection in your Windows security settings to prevent the spoofer from being blocked during the process. Step 3. Run the spoofer as an administrator to ensure it has the necessary permissions to modify your registry entries. Step 4. Select the option to randomize your MAC address, which hides your network adapter's unique identity. Step 5. Use the Volume ID Changer tool within the spoofer to modify the serial numbers of your hard drives and solid-state drives. Step 6. Navigate to the Motherboard tab and click on Generate New UUID to give your system a fresh digital fingerprint. Step 7. Clear your DNS cache by opening the command prompt and typing in the command to flush your system data. Step 8. Change your primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and your secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4 to ensure a clean connection. Step 9. Delete all temporary game files and log folders located in your local app data directory to remove any traces of your banned account. Step 10. Restart your router and switch your connection to 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz to ensure a refreshed local IP assignment. Here is a pro tip for you. Always use a high-quality VPN alongside your spoofer to make sure your location matches your new hardware profile. This adds an extra layer of protection that makes it nearly impossible for anti-cheat software to link you to your old banned ID. If you run into any trouble or get stuck on a step, leave a comment below. I will be monitoring the thread, and I promise to reply to your questions within 1 hour. If this guide helped you get back into the lobby, make sure to like this video and share it with your squad. Subscribe to TechVibes for more straight-to-the-point tech solutions. You are all set to get back out there and dominate the leaderboard with a fresh start.